What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kaseng jong Kinohikai School Ad Hoc jong Jilla Meghalaya Federation of Ad Hoc School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTM kalaweng no ay kajinga ki syong kalan mungor Hamadan Malki hadien baka sorkar kala pentik na ban pentre kami ki South League jimantoy bakongsan kuntup ya ka basic pe kabasdang na do ka shitarik uyayong arda apun rio. Ya ka ni karay lasyum da jinga lang jong ka Central Executive Committee CEC jong ka sunjung kabalalong haslong batura hakashitarik risaw hadien shisngi bakinongalam jongka kilay kendo ya umintri rangba ka jela u Conrad ki sangma hakayeng turikam jong u ki jingalang jong ka CEC haslong bat hatura kila menjur da kawika surai jong ka jingalang bat ka sorkar bat baro ngila menjur ban wengno ika jingaki ong u Vice President ka FASTM US Jungay habakren shakinong thok kubor Ula pentip baka sorkar kala pentik na benpentri kam South League jingmentoy hakan ka jingalang. Kini kintop ikinohikai ad hoc kin yo ya kabainong ni katulop basic pay katkum ka seniority katkum ka jingshakri ka jongki kata shipo arpo bat laipo snam. Kinohikai kin yo ru ya ka DA kababut hikna manla usnam banyarap ban yakun persya ya ka jingki udor ki mar ki mata. Ka sorkar kan bay prapasan sya ka CPF kat ba kinohikai kin senyang prapasan bat kini ka fun kan a jingmantoy hadien bakila syong than. Ya kini South League jingmantoy on penturekam hakamang tingka jong snam banwan na du ka shitarik uyayong arza arpun rio ong ujungay bat ula benram baka sorkar kelapan por lai benay ban penkre ya ka basic pay ka DA bat ka CPF bat nangta kan rai katno an siw na kabenta way unohikai bat ya kani ka rai on shimshua ka Christmas.
So as you all know, the Federation had started the agitation program right from the 22nd of September here in Shillong, and there in Garo Hills it was started on the 25th of September. So the main demands of the Federation right from the very beginning, it was to upgrade all the ad hoc schools to the deficit system or the deficit pattern. So during these past weeks, while we are going on with the agitation program, we had the privilege also to meet the Education Minister, Sir Lakman Rimboy. But on his part, on the 23rd of September, on his part, he said that he cannot give the assurance either to upgrade us or to give us with any enhancement. So what happened, it was on the 30th of September that we received a call from the Commissioner Secretary that the Chief Minister of the state, Sri Conrad Sangma, invited us at his residence on the 1st October 2025. So the meeting was scheduled at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, but it was only in the morning at around 9 past 10 where we received another call from the Commissioner Secretary that the meeting was preponed from 3 p.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So we have the privilege to meet the Honorable Chief Minister together in presence of the Education Minister and then the Commissioner Secretary Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri, and also in the presence of the Director of the DSEL. So during the meeting, we discussed the problems faced by the ad hoc teachers for decades. We highlighted all the problems faced by the ad hoc teachers, and then each and every members who presented there, we give our views of a suggestion to the government. So at the end of the day, at the end of the meeting, when we discuss about the upgradation to the deficit, the Chief Minister, being the head of the state government, he told us that if we are going to upgrade you to the deficit system, there are criteria. And these criteria, if we are going to follow these criteria, majority of the teachers will lose the benefit of this upgradation. So at the end of the day, he told, let us now forget about this upgradation. Let us discuss, come to a solution of how we will solve your problems. Then at the end, after we had a deliberate discussion with the government, we all come to a conclusion. There are 4 main agendas that we discussed and also agreed in the meeting with the government. The ad hoc school teachers, they will also get the basic pay from now onwards. That is, this basic pay, it will be based on their seniority basis. That is, teachers who are serving for 10 years, 20 years and 30 years, the basic will be different. The second agenda that we discuss is regarding the dearness pay, that is the DA, which we are going to get annually, fixed every year. This DA, it will help the teachers with the increased rate of inflation that we are going to face in future. And the third benefits that we, the ad hoc teachers, will receive is the centrally provident fund, what we call the CPF, of which we are going to get 8% from the government and 8% it will be contributed by the teachers. And lastly, we also discussed on one agenda, that is the DETCOM retirement gratitude. When we come to this gratitude, the Teachers Federation, the leaders, we have taken a consensus among us that the teachers will contribute to this fund so that we will get it post-retirement. So these 4 agendas or 4 benefits, it will be implemented by the government, that is with effect from the next financial year, that is 1st of April 2026. And the government, they sought from the Federation 3 months' time to prepare the basic, to prepare the DA, and to prepare the CPF. And then the decision, how much per teacher we will get, it will be taken by the government before Christmas. So on part of the Federation, so we all agreed by the minutes which we took yesterday. And then today at 10 a.m. in the morning, we had the CEC meeting here in Shillong and another CEC meeting in Tura, where both of the CEC, we unanimously, we agreed by this minutes, and we all agreed to call off the agitation. And then after the CEC agreed in calling off the agitation program, then we came and briefed the teachers at the same time here in Shillong and even there in Tura also. We briefed them all the 4 benefits that we, the ad hoc teachers, will get with this new pay structure. And then at the end, the teachers also, they took one unanimous decision, that is to call off the agitation program with effect from today on.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.